Bom, meninas, a geladeira ficou assim. Tava muito enferrujada. Muito feia. Feia mesmo. Aí ele tentou pintar aqui, ó, com spray de tinta branca. Só que não deu muito certo, não. Aí ele comprou uma tinta pra ver como é que vai ficar. Pra ver se vai dar certo. Meninas, ficou assim a geladeira. Ó, ficou muito bonita mesmo. Só que ele passou só uma mão de tinta. Entendeu? Aí, ó, tá um pouquinho de nada preto aqui, aí ele vai passar outra. Não hoje, né? Outro dia, quando ele tiver tempo de ir lá comprar. Aqui também, ó, os detalhezinho, tá vendo? Tá um pouquinho preto ainda, que só deu só uma mão. Ó, tá vendo? Ficou muito bonita pela diferença de como tava. Vocês lembram, né? Tava horrível. Aqui não tava tão enferrujado não, ó. Aqui também ele vai passar mais uma mão. Ele vai passar mais uma mão nela toda, tá? Ó. Meninas, aí a gente tava na feira do empreendedorismo da escola da minha filha. Ela tá aí vendendo um picolé. Tinha muita gente. Mas foi muito bonito. Aí logo após a gente foi na sorveteria e as meninas estavam muito alegres. Muito alegres. E aqui, gente, foi ontem, tá? Eu lavei os lençóis, os panos do sofá. Eu lavei mais lençol, porque tinha muito lençol. E eu deixei juntar essa semana todinha. Deixei mesmo juntar lençol. Porque eu tava doente e ainda tô. Tô rouca. Tava com o corpo todo dolorido. Só Deus sabe como eu tava.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see be here, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
Raca. Deixa eu dar o biscoito aqui dela. Comprar algumas coisas que tava faltando. Eu comprei a ração do gato. Comprei uma coquinha pequenininha, vinagre, uma bolacha, um biscoito. E comprei água sanitária, porque eu odeio lavar roupa sem água sanitária.
feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And f*** all the doubters, they're just your downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid.
Gente, eu fico assim, tá? Simples. Porém, eu acredito que está muito bom. O vídeo foi esse, meninas, tá? Foi tudo muito simples. Não mostrei arrumando a casa toda. E também não terminei de lavar, de estender as roupas todas. Só o que tá lavando agora é só as roupas das meninas, só. Já estendi as toalhas também. Ainda tô mal. Minha garganta tá inflamada. Já faz 3 dias que eu tô tomando remédio. Já. E eu não sei se eu vou pra igreja hoje. Hoje é doutrina, hoje é terça-feira. A doutrina é dia de terça. Eu não sei se eu vou hoje porque eu tô com cólica. Aí eu tô querendo tomar remédio e deitar, descansar. Ainda tô um pouquinho rouca. Porque ontem eu não aguentei lavar a roupa toda. Não só porque eu comecei tarde. Geralmente eu começo a lavar roupa depois do almoço. Mas eu vou ver se eu consigo mudar essa minha rotina, né? Pra lavar roupa de manhãzinha, né? Mas eu passei essa semana inteira sem lavar lençol. Lavava algumas roupinhas, mas deixei só ficar juntando os lençol. Juntando os lençol. Só ficava lavando roupa. Que é mais maneiro, né? Ai, ó. Deu no que deu. Juntou muito lençol. Mas já tem alguns secos ali já. Enxuto, né? Não dobrei ainda. Vou dobrar só amanhã. E amanhã já vou começar outro vídeo. Em nome de Jesus. E é isso, gente. Muito obrigada por ter assistido até aqui. Tá? Muito obrigada. Então deixa teu like. Comenta bastante. E se você é novo por aqui, se inscreve no canal para fazer parte da minha família, tá bom? Fica com Deus e até o próximo vídeo. Tchau!